In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in browser link in Mailchimp. This is a useful feature that allows your recipients to view the web version of your email, ensuring that your formatting and images remain accessible no matter what email client they're using. Let's start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you've already got an email campaign you're working on, open it up. If not, you can create a new one to follow along. Once you've got your campaign open, you'll want to click on the Edit Design option. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments to your email layout. Next up, we're going to add a text block to your email template. Typically, the View in Browser option is placed at the very top of the email to make it easily accessible to recipients. So you'll need to drag a text block up to that area. Once you've done that, click inside the text block to begin editing the content. This is where you'll be adding the actual message for your viewers, such as view this email in your browser. Highlight the text you've just typed. Now direct your attention to the toolbar above where you'll find the link icon. Go ahead and click it. A dialog box will open up offering several options. In the Link To drop-down menu, select Web Address URL from the list. Mailchimp will automatically generate a link to the web version of your email as it recognizes this particular function as an internal shortcut. This means you won't need to manually input any URL. This little trick is incredibly efficient and takes out any guesswork, ensuring the link points correctly to the hosted version of your campaign. Now, a quick check before you finalize everything. Make sure the text and link look just how you want them. This is a great chance to ensure all the formatting aligns with the rest of your email style. Once you're satisfied, simply save your changes. Remember, including a view in browser link enhances the accessibility of your email, particularly for recipients who might find that their email client does not display content as intended. It improves user experience and ensures your message is communicated clearly. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've effectively increased the reach and readability of your email campaigns. It's a small addition, but can make a big difference in how your emails are received and interacted with by your audience. Thanks for tuning into this guide on adding a view in browser link in Mailchimp. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other videos in our series for more tips on getting the most out of your email marketing efforts.